Hello, I can do this. Believe.
Your voice matters. Start speaking today.
Hello, welcome back to Speak English with Confidence.
Hi everyone, we are so happy to see you.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. On this channel, we help you practice real English. English for real life, real conversations, and real confidence.
Please, if you like our videos, remember to subscribe and like them. It really helps us grow and reach more English learners around the world.
Yes, thank you so much.
Today we are going to learn how to talk about hobbies.
Hi everyone, today we're talking about hobbies.
Hobbies are fun activities we do to relax and feel happy.
That's right. We will talk about what we do in our free time, things we enjoy, things that help us relax, and activities that make us happy after a long day.
Finding joy in everyday activities can greatly enhance your well-being. Consider cycling, reading, painting, or even learning a musical instrument.
So, Daniel, it's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Oh yes, it really is. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, and the air feels fresh. Days like this make me want to go outside and enjoy my hobbies.
I feel the same way. Beautiful weather gives me energy. It makes me think, what can I do today that I really enjoy?
Exactly. That's what hobbies are all about. Doing something because you want to do it, not because you have to do it.
That's a great way to explain it. A hobby is something you do in your free time because it makes you happy.
So Emma, let me ask you first. What is your favorite hobby?
That's a difficult question. I have many hobbies, but my favorite one is probably reading.
When I open a book, I can go anywhere. An adventure, a romance, or just a light moment.
Reading? That's a wonderful hobby.
Yes, I love it. When I read a book, I can travel to another world. Sometimes I read stories about adventure, sometimes about love, and sometimes funny stories. It helps me relax after a busy day.
I really like that. Reading is a quiet hobby, but it's very powerful. You
Reading is a quiet but powerful hobby.
can learn new ideas, new words, and new cultures.
Exactly. And it's also great for learning English.
That's true. Reading in English is one of the best hobbies for English learners.
What about you, Daniel? What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is exercise, especially going to the gym.
Going to the gym is your hobby?
Yes, some people think the gym is only hard work, but for me, it's something I enjoy. It helps me feel strong, healthy, and confident.
That's great. So we can say, going to the gym is my exercise hobby.
Exactly. It's something I choose to do in my free time. I don't go because someone forces me. I go because I enjoy it.
I like that. For me, walking is also a hobby. I love walking in the park, especially in the evening. I often listen to music while I walk.
Listening to music and walking, that sounds very relaxing.
It is. Music is another hobby of mine. I enjoy pop music, but sometimes I listen to calm music when I want to relax.
Music is a wonderful hobby. You can listen to it anywhere, at home, on the bus, or while you're cooking.
Speaking of cooking, is cooking a hobby for you?
Yes, it is. I really enjoy cooking. I like trying new recipes and making food for my family and friends.
That's amazing. For you, cooking is not just work, it's something you enjoy.
Exactly. It helps me relax. When I cook, I forget about stress and problems. I just focus on the food.
I wish cooking was my hobby. For me, cooking is more like a challenge.
A challenge?
Yes, I can cook simple things, but I often order food. My hobby is eating, not cooking.
That is a very honest answer.
But I do enjoy watching cooking videos. Maybe one day that will become a real hobby.
That's how hobbies start. First, you become interested. Then you try it, and slowly it becomes something you enjoy doing.
That's a great point. Many hobbies begin with interest.
Yes, interest is very important. If you are interested in something, you want to learn more about it.
For example, I am interested in animals, so sometimes I watch documentaries about wildlife.
That's a great hobby. It's relaxing and educational.
Exactly. It helps me feel calm. After a long day, watching a documentary is a good way to relax.
For me, movies are a big hobby. I love watching movies, especially comedies.
Comedies are great. Laughter is good for your heart.
Yes, when I watch a funny movie, I forget my problems. I just enjoy the moment.
So, hobbies are not only fun, they are also good for our mental health.
That's right. They help us relax, feel happy, and recharge our energy.
What about sports? Do you have any sports hobbies?
Yes, I do. On weekends, sometimes I play football with my friends.
That's a very social hobby. You are not alone, you share it with others.
Exactly. It's fun to run, laugh, and play together.
I like that. Some hobbies are quiet, like reading, some are active, like sports, and some are creative, like cooking or painting.
Everyone is different, so everyone has different hobbies.
That's what makes people interesting.
So, viewers, think about your free time. What do you like to do when you are not working or studying?
Do you like reading? Do you like music? Do you like sports? Do you like cooking? Do you like watching movies?
All of these can be hobbies. And remember, a hobby is something you do because you enjoy it.
You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be the best. You just need to enjoy it.
That's the most important part.
In this lesson, we will help you talk about your hobbies using simple, natural English. You will learn how to say what you enjoy, what interests you, and how you relax in your free time.
By the end of this video, you will be able to say, my hobby is, in my free time, I like to, I enjoy, this helps me relax.
So stay with us, practice with us, and let's talk about hobbies together. These small sentences are very powerful. When you can say them easily, you can talk about yourself with confidence.
Yes, you don't need long, difficult sentences. Simple English is beautiful English.
Let's start with walking. You can say, I like walking in the park. It's one of my hobbies.
This sentence is great because it has two parts. First, you say what you like. Second, you say it is your hobby.
You can change the park to any place. I like walking near my home. I like walking by the river. I like walking in the city.
And you can always end with, it's one of my hobbies.
Now, let's add music. You can say, listening to music is my favorite hobby when I walk.
This sentence shows two things, what you do and when you do it.
You can change it like this. Listening to music is my favorite hobby on the bus. Listening to music is my favorite hobby at night. Listening to music is my favorite hobby when I study.
Or you can make it shorter. My favorite hobby is listening to music.
Both are correct. Both sound natural.
Now let's talk about exercise. If you like the gym, you can say, going to the gym is my exercise hobby.
This is perfect for people who like to be active.
You can also say, running is my exercise hobby. Yoga is my exercise hobby. Swimming is my exercise hobby.
Just change one word and the sentence is yours.
Now for quiet evenings, you can say, reading is my favorite hobby before bed.
This sentence is calm. It sounds peaceful.
You can change it like this. Reading is my favorite hobby in the evening. Reading is my favorite hobby on weekends. Reading is my favorite hobby at night.
Or even, before bed, I like reading.
Simple and clear.
If you enjoy food, try this one. Cooking is not just work for me. It's a hobby.
This sentence is powerful because it shows feeling.
You can change cooking to other things. Drawing is not just work for me. It's a hobby. Photography is not just work for me. It's a hobby. Writing is not just work for me. It's a hobby.
It tells people, I enjoy this. It's part of who I am.
For relaxing at home, you can say, watching movies is how I relax.
Very natural, very useful.
You can also say, watching videos is how I relax. Listening to music is how I relax. Reading is how I relax.
Now for sports and weekends, try this. Football is my weekend hobby.
You can change football to anything. Basketball is my weekend hobby. Cycling is my weekend hobby. Gaming is my weekend hobby.
And you can change weekend too. Football is my evening hobby. Drawing is my morning hobby.
Music is my daily hobby.
Let's practice together now.
Say it with us. My hobby is...
Now finish the sentence with your own idea.
Maybe my hobby is reading. My hobby is cooking. My hobby is listening to music.
Good. Now try this one. In my free time, I like to...
In my free time, I like to walk. In my free time, I like to watch movies. In my free time, I like to play games.
Now try I enjoy...
I enjoy reading. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy playing football.
And finally, this helps me relax.
Reading helps me relax. Music helps me relax. Walking helps me relax.
These 4 patterns are very important. My hobby is... In my free time, I like to... I enjoy. This helps me relax.
With just these, you can talk about your hobbies in many ways.
You don't need perfect grammar, you just need to speak.
One small sentence every day is a great habit for learning English.
Choose one sentence and say it every day.
Your confidence will grow just like a new hobby.
Today's lesson, our vocabulary section. This is where we slow down, focus on key words, and really understand how to use them in real life.
Yes, these words will help you talk about your hobbies in clear, natural, confident English. If you learn these words well, you can talk about your life in many situations.
Let's begin with the most important word of today, hobby. A hobby is something you do in your free time because you enjoy it.
You don't do a hobby for money. You don't do it because someone tells you to. You do it because it makes you happy.
For example, you can say, my hobby is reading. Cooking is my hobby. Walking is one of my hobbies. Music is my favorite hobby.
Notice something important. After the word hobby, we often use a verb with ing. Reading, cooking, walking, painting, dancing.
Yes, we say, my hobby is reading, not my hobby is read.
Now let's move to our second word, free time. Free time is the time when you are not working or studying.
It is the time in the evening, on weekends, or on holidays. It is your time.
You can say, in my free time, I like to watch movies. In my free time, I play football. In my free time, I listen to music. In my free time, I read books.
This is a very common and natural sentence in English. In my free time, I like to...
Try saying it now. In my free time, I like to...
Finish it with your own idea.
Good. That is real English.
Our next word is interest. An interest is something you like and want to learn more about.
For example, I have an interest in animals. My interest is photography. I am interested in history. I am interested in learning English.
Your interests often become your hobbies.
Yes, first you are interested, then you try it, and slowly it becomes a hobby.
For example, maybe you are interested in music. You start listening, then you try to sing. Later, singing becomes your hobby.
Or you are interested in cooking. You watch videos, you try a recipe. Soon, cooking becomes your hobby.
So, interest is the beginning of a hobby.
Now, let's talk about the word enjoy. Enjoy means to feel happy doing something.
This is a very warm, positive word.
You can say, I enjoy reading. I enjoy cooking for my family. I enjoy walking in the park. I enjoy watching movies at night.
When you say, I enjoy, you are telling people what makes you happy.
You can also say, I really enjoy music. I enjoy spending time with my friends. I enjoy learning English.
And now our last word, relax. Relax means to rest and feel calm.
Yes, after a busy day, everyone needs to relax.
You can say, music helps me relax. Reading helps me relax. Walking helps me relax. Watching movies helps me relax.
This is very useful when you talk about your hobbies because many hobbies help us relax.
So let's review our 5 important words together. Hobby, something you do in your free time because you enjoy it.
Free time, time when you are not working or studying.
Interest, something you like and want to learn more about.
Enjoy, to feel happy doing something.
Relax, to rest and feel calm.
With just these 5 words, you can talk about your life in many situations.
For example, listen to this sentence. In my free time, I enjoy reading. It's my favorite hobby, and it helps me relax.
That one sentence uses free time, enjoy, hobby, and relax.
You can make your own sentence like that.
Now it's time for our question of the day. This is your chance to practice.
Please write your answer in the comments. Don't be shy. Don't worry about mistakes.
The question is, what is one hobby you enjoy and one new hobby you want to try?
For example, you can write, my favorite hobby is listening to music. I want to start a new hobby, reading books in English.
Or you can write, my hobby is cooking. I enjoy it because it helps me relax. I want to try a new hobby like painting.
Or, in my free time, I enjoy playing football. I want to try learning the guitar.
Or even something very simple. My hobby is reading. I want to try a new hobby.
Any answer is a good answer. You do not need perfect grammar.
The most important thing is to try.
Every comment you write is practice. Every sentence makes you stronger.
We read your comments and we love to see your progress.
You are not learning alone. We are learning together.
So take a moment, think about your free time, and tell us about your hobbies.
What do you enjoy? What do you want to try?
We can't wait to read your answers.